And to be able to add a little bit of holiday cheer to every meal. This is great because we've got a 12-piece dinnerware set in 2 different patterns. And it might be hard to make your choice because I do think they're both pretty stinking cute. So the first one that we have is our festive. That's going to be right here. Think classic red and green. It's a little bit more, you know, slightly could be elegant, right, with some of the scroll work and almost like damask design in that pattern. 12 pieces in this dinnerware set. You're getting 4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates, and 4 of the 18-ounce bowls. Comparable retail value on this is about 96 bucks. Now come over here, you're not paying 96. We also have reindeer games, which is just so stinking cute, and a very whimsical because each one is totally different. Your dinner plate is those bold red and green Merry Christmas. Your then salad plate is the present. How precious is that? And then your bowl is your reindeer and your snowflakes. This is not $96. It's at a special countdown to Christmas price of $72.65. It ends up being about $6 and change a piece. H219984. And Tara, this is, you know, what we know and we love about your stoneware. Yeah. Now in a gorgeous holiday and fun, right? It's playful.
Right, and that's what I love about it, right? The dinnerware actually becomes the exclamation point on your table. We spend so much time with our family getting everything ready, what we're going to be making, what we're going to be eating, and then we kind of just sometimes throw it out on whatever we have. What's really great about our dinnerware is it is that beautiful stoneware that you were talking about, but you don't have to baby this. Although it looks like your fine china, it goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. So you could reheat your soup in here in the microwave if you wanted to. It goes in the dishwasher when you want to clean it. You can put it in the refrigerator. It goes in the freezer. So really, these are those pieces you don't have to baby.
Yeah.
And I love the fact that the table now is perfectly set. Everything, every attention to detail, from the place card holders that you picked up with the truck to the dinnerware that's nestled in, the beautiful cloche that's here in the center. Look how gorgeous that is. And the little ornament peeking from behind, that's still to come.
Yeah, this
with
is coming
our great recipes. Look at how sweet that is.
I love, Tara, how you said this is that exclamation point. Because I don't know about you. Here's the thing. I've worked in retail, and I still do, for many years. And so the holidays, they're busy. And one thing I learned once I became a mom and kind of the one leading the way to celebrate the holidays, it's the wrapping and the gifts and the organizing and all the cooking and the cleaning, and it becomes a lot. That a lot of times I just want to say, well, what about those great like recipes and just simple things? Maybe we do a pizza night, right? But when you have a pizza night on a plate like this, it now is special and it's memorable. Or maybe it's a great dinner you're going to have together as a family and then watch one of those favorite holiday movies. You know, true confession, Tara, we've got some like Santa Claus dessert plates at our house. We keep in the cupboard all year round. And every now and then my daughter requests them. Yeah, like for a snack in the middle of July, you know, because sometimes I think we always like to have a little bit of that cheer. So keep these in your pantry or in your cupboards all year long. You get the durability that you know and love from Temp Tations. But if you've always dreamed about having that kind of holiday dinner where you don't have to baby, because maybe the dinnerware set that you pull out is the one that you can only hand wash. And so you're not pulling it out for the entire season. You maybe just do it for that family Christmas Eve or Christmas Day dinner. Well, what if you could have something that, whether it's your oatmeal in the morning to a great little snack, you know, your cheese and fruit in the afternoon, and then your pizza for dinner, and it still feels special during the holiday season. So let me take you back so you can see the 2 different patterns that we have. And I love that each piece is different too. This is gonna be at your festive holidays. So it's like those holly berries, classic reds and green. The one, though, that really puts a smile on my face is our reindeer games. I know my kids would go bananas. You know, they'd probably fight over the reindeer bowl and the little present plate. But the nice thing about this is it's that 12-piece dinnerware set. So you get the really essentially it's seating for 4, which for a lot of us, that's just what we need for those in our home. 4 plates, 4 salad plates, and 4 of the bowls. It ends up being just about $6 in and $6 and change per piece, which is a really great value.
Incredible.
On this too, Tara.
And that's what I love. And can you show the dinner plate too? Because
Yeah.
it's so sweet. Within all the letters, there's actually patterns and designs as well. So look how sweet that is. If you
So
really
cute.
truly want that kind of whimsy, this is
Yes.
the way to go. And then the other one, a little bit more elegant. I love exactly how you explained those. Perfect.
Oh, it's H219984. This is the day to pick up on that new set. You're going to thank yourself that you already have it. And then when you start having some of those favorite holiday meals, it's H219984 is going to be your item number. All right, you ready? Okay, the second that I saw this next item in the show, we've got this amazing baker. And this really, I think, harkens back to part of what we love about Temp tations, is that they really are, and what Tara brings us